Good morning, everyone. I am Vedant and I am here to tell you something about data warehouse. Let's start from the very beginning. What is a warehouse? Whenever we see, warehouse is a type of store room in which we store our data. In a warehouse, we store several types of databases and different types of data, which is process data, which we store in a warehouse. In a data warehouse, the type of data which we store is divided into various subparts and categories. Like, for example, in any business there are 6 arms. There are more than 6 arms, but I have taken these 6: finance, marketing, HR, operations, market research, and raw material. So the all sort of data that a business requires during proper functioning of its business, like all sorts of financial information, the marketing and sales information, the human resource information, operation information, and all other type of information that is required to run a business is stored in different databases, which at last gets stored in data warehouse. Data warehouse in business. If we define it in a single line, we can extract data from different sources for better decision making. The managers in any business extract data from different sources. Like, if, for example, if I want to take out an information about a sales employee, about a salesman, I will just go to the HR warehouse. I will take out his information. After that, I will go to the marketing, the sales warehouse, from which I will be extracting out the information. That then I will be compiling it, and then I will be taking the decision whether that salesperson needs a promotion or needs a bonus or not. What are the 3 basic uses of this data warehouse? Preparation of reports, like as I already mentioned, how has that particular employee performed? We will be able to figure out what has he done till now in the company, and in future what type of incentives or bonuses are we giving him, are we planning to give him. The second one is business intelligence. Business intelligence is a very important factor in any business. Business intelligence is something that tells us about the strategies of our opponents, of our rival companies. What are they planning to do? I will be explaining it further in an example. And at last, visualization of data, various type of data. What are the characteristics of this data warehouse? Subject oriented. As I already mentioned, it is it is categorized into various types. Like, for HR information, you will straight away go to the HR database. Integrated, non-volatile. Non-volatile is something which is telling over here is stability at historical data, like like any employee is working since 1998. So his entire data will be there in our warehouse. At last, it is in a very summarized form. Now let's come to a common example from our institute. Our institute has records of 34 years. The students which are participating over here, the faculty, the staff members, and of course the helpers of our department. We have entire data of them, of these faculty, of these students, who is performing and how is he or she performing. Now let's come to the very basic example. As I told you earlier, that we have an example of data intelligence, business intelligence. Here we can see the logo of Make My Trip and IRCTC. How are these two? What Make My Trip does is, it extracts the data, the reports of IRCTC, what type of people are traveling by train, what's their age group and where are they traveling. For example, what type of people are traveling to religious place, what type of people are traveling to, what type of students are traveling to different colleges and different institutes, what type of people are traveling to hill station, what age group of people is traveling to malls and amusement parks. This is what MakeMyTrip can extract from IRCTC database, and IRCTC can extract from MakeMyTrip database, and this is known as business intelligence, from which the managers can finally come out with the conclusion, come out with the strategies, with the reports that what now has to be done to improve the sales. Thank you. This was it from our side.